Hey, hey, it's time to go. Pack your bags, let's start the show. Around the world we'll take a ride with Jaxson by your side. Just wild, we'll go wild. Big adventures for every child. From lions roaring to cubs at play, it's a wild world. Come on, let's go today. Just wild, we're going wild. Big adventures for every child. The lions roaring to cubs.
Hey adventurous friends, I'm Jaxson and welcome to Just Wild with Jaxson. We're diving into the coolest corners of the planet, from buzzing jungles to frozen mountaintops. So grab your backpack, bring your curiosity, and get ready for a wild ride. Today we're heading to East Africa, to the amazing country of Kenya. It's time for an awesome adventure with one of the most coolest animals on the planet, LIONSSS. Because when nature gets crazy cool, you know what I say. That's just wild. Okay, first, fun fact. These lions don't live in jungles. Nope, they live out here in the open savanna. That's flat, grassy land where they have tons of room to run, rest, and roar. Lions live in big families called prides. It's like a lion squad, sometimes up to 30 lions living together. In a pride, everyone has a role. The lionesses. Those are the girl lions do most of the hunting. They work together to sneak up on animals like zebras and wildebeest. That's just wild. The male lions help protect the pride. With their big manes, they look like royalty, but they're really like big fuzzy bodyguards. Now let's meet the cutest members of the pride, the cubs. Lion cubs are playful and super curious. They chase each other, wrestle, and pounce on anything that moves. But it's not just goofing around, it's how they practice for hunting when they're older. That's just wild. Cubs are born with little spots on their fur that help them hide in the grass. As they grow older, the spots fade like built-in camouflage, like poof, disappearing spots. And get this, when a lion roars, you can hear it from up to 5 miles away. That's like hearing someone shout from a whole town over. Mine's more like a squeaky meow, but you get the idea. Ah. Why am I getting so tired all of a sudden? Now here's my favorite part, cat naps. Lions can sleep for up to 20 hours a day. That's more than your weekend sleep-ins and after-school naps combined. These big cats really know how to chill. Revisit Kenya's lessons. Lions in savannah prides. Cubs play to learn and grow strong. A lion's roar is super loud, 5 miles. And they sleep a lot, like a whole lot. Thanks for joining me for this lion-sized adventure. See you next time on Just Wild with Jaxson. For more travel fun, follow Kids Space Club channel on YouTube and TikTok at Kids Space Club. That's just wild.
Hey, it's time to go. Pack your bags, let's start the show. Around the world we'll take a ride with Jaxson by your side. Just wild, we'll go wild. Big adventures for every child. From lions roaring to cubs at play, it's a wild world. Come on, let's go today. Just wild, we're going wild. Big adventures for every child. The lions roaring to cubs at play, it's a wild world. Come on, let's go today. We'll travel far and learn so much about the animals we love to touch. Jaxson's got the facts, so come and see the wildest places on land and sea. Just wild.